Once you felt the bruise equal the weight of love you spilled to just equalize the ache, only to have no response of them putting their thumb on the other end of the scale. You bruised your heart just to save what had been had, willing to run the length. The chirping canary in your heart sang itself hoarse just to save what had been lost. The canary in your heart sang its song for what your heart yearned but had to wane itself off. You have been accustomed to simply wonder about, like a ghost trapped in the limbo of past and future self. An abandoned house where the canaries chirp without pause. The bruised canary in your heart kept singing the love the heart still felt, distant but heartfelt. The bruised canary in your heart kept singing while your mate went further and further away from your wants. After reaching only to be met with a cold shoulder, reaching only to touch, she shrank herself further back away as to not get hurt from one more shrug. The canary which chirped to which had been forgot lay there malnourished and dried out. No more canary chirping, singing and begging to be fed with